Hello everybody, I'm Adam from the iNimbleSloth channel.
And I'm Baby Sloth.
And videoing today is Mummy Sloth. So,
yes.
I've got this package from...
From where?
Bite Delight. Right. Let's get into this. This is the Harlequin. It has got a rainbow because it's from the Spectrum. It's a Harlequin 128K Revision 2D.
I've got it open.
Do the last bit. Very careful with the knife. Ready?
Yes.
We're cutting away from yourself. Oh! Oh, lots of chips. Potato chips. Not room tidy. No. I want to keep my room tidy.
Oh, look at this.
You know how to get rid of them?
Oh, a power supply.
Up like this. Look,
Just put
that's
them in
do
water and they dissolve.
this. Oh, can we do that?
Afterwards, what I want to, we can have the video. So, I have a power supply with ZX Spectrum written on it.
Oh, it's little. Oh, they're like green.
Digging around.
What's it? Yeah.
It's like Christmas.
It's like a
Oh! Forget the cable. Oh, look at this. I've got a stroop waffle. How do you say that? Stroop waffle. But I've got a cup of tea as well. So, I'm going to be having that.
Oh, can I drop one of these in the tea?
No, you can't drop one in the tea. So I've got a cable here as well. This cable is for the audio and the RGB signal to go to the TV for the start. So this is above and beyond the original ZX128.
What happens if I put it in the mouth?
Don't put it in your mouth.
You're dropping them! Dad!
don't let the cat in here.
Oh wow.
They're everywhere.
Let's get rid of this box, this big box.
I'll eat
Let's
these.
pop this onto here. Are we ready for this?
There's a different colour one.
Oh wow.
Oh wow.
So what do we get inside?
So bad.
Before we look at the fantastic stuff. Oh wow, all the other bits that I can spend my money on.
It's a rainbow.
Right.
It's a rainbow.
It's a rainbow. Look at all those chips.
Look how
Nom,
many
nom,
little
nom.
bags there are.
There are loads of little bags. So we've got
Lots
all the
of
chips.
plastic bag. Look at all of them.
All of those components we have to solder in. All of these components.
How many hours is this one going to take you?
I don't know. Maybe we time it. And the board. That's nice, isn't it? It's in black.
I'm going to look around in the box, see if there's anything else.
You just want to play with the chip.
No, I'm looking. I thought there was something.
I want to have a look at this board.
They're all stuck to my hands.
What do you think about that, Harrison?
What?
Look at that. It's in black. It's nice, isn't it?
Nice.
So that will fit inside my other case.
Nice.
That orange case that we saw in the previous video, and it is, as we said, the Harlequin 128. So
Nice.
I'm going to look forward to making that.
Pink bag.
Yeah, anti-static bag. I'm going to look forward to making that and putting it into another video.
Rainbow. Rainbow.
So that was the unboxing of the Harlequin 128 Revision 2D. Thank you very much for watching. Bye. Put the knife in. Need to cut that little bit. You're right. Okay. Put the knife away.
Oh, it's orange.
Oh wow.
Oh my god.
Wow.
That is very...
Look at that.